Title: Who makes spooky sounds at the bottom of the lake near your home? Introduction: Hey there, folks! Are you ready for a bone-chilling tale that will make your hair stand on end? Well, get cozy and buckle up because I'm about to take you on a journey into the mysterious depths of the lake near your home. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Chapter 1: The Haunting Beginnings. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled among towering mountains, there was a beautiful lake. People would flock to its shores to swim, fish, and enjoy the tranquility it offered. But little did they know, beneath the calm surface lay a secret that would send shivers down their spines. Legend has it that long ago, a group of mischievous spirits took up residence at the bottom of the lake. These spirits, known as the Lurkers, were said to be the souls of lost souls who had met a tragic end in the waters. They were forever trapped, and their eerie presence could be felt by those brave enough to venture near. Chapter 2: The Haunted Night. One moonlit night, a group of local teenagers decided to test their courage and explore the lake after dark. Armed with flashlights and a sense of adventure, they set out to uncover the truth behind the spooky sounds that echoed from the depths. As they stepped onto the water's edge, they couldn't help but feel a sense of foreboding. The air was thick with anticipation, and the hairs on their arms stood on end. Slowly, they waded into the icy water, their beams of light piercing the darkness ahead. Chapter 3: The Ghostly Encounter. Suddenly, a bone-chilling gust of wind swept through the air, extinguishing their flashlights. Darkness enveloped them, and a deafening silence filled the void. Panic set in as they felt unseen eyes watching their every move. Then, from the murky depths below, came a haunting sound, a low, guttural growl that sent their hearts racing. They could feel the presence of the Lurkers, their spectral forms lurking just out of sight. Fear clung to them like a wet blanket as they struggled to find their way back to the safety of the shore. Chapter 4: Unraveling the Mystery. Determined to uncover the truth, the brave teenagers returned to the lake armed with an array of paranormal investigation equipment. They set out on a quest to communicate with the Lurkers and understand their plight. Night after night, they camped by the lake, conducting seances, and using EVP, electronic voice phenomena, recordings to capture the otherworldly sounds that echoed through the darkness. It was as if the Lurkers wanted to be heard, to tell their story and find solace in the living world. Chapter 5: The Revelation. After countless hours of intense investigation, the teenagers pieced together the tragic tale of the Lurkers. Long ago, a boating accident had claimed the lives of several young men, their bodies never recovered. Their souls had become trapped at the bottom of the lake, forever yearning for closure. Driven by compassion, the teenagers organized a memorial ceremony by the lake, honoring the lost souls and helping them find peace. As they released candles onto the water's surface, the lake came alive with a symphony of ethereal sounds, this time filled with gratitude and tranquility. Conclusion: And so, my friends, the mystery of the spooky sounds at the bottom of the lake near your home was solved. What once seemed like a terrifying haunting turned out to be the desperate cries of lost souls seeking closure. The lake, once a place of fear, became a beacon of hope and healing. Remember, even in the darkest of places, there is always a glimmer of light. So, next time you hear a mysterious sound in the dead of night, don't be afraid. Embrace the unknown, for it may lead you on a journey of discovery and empathy.